An efficient and cost-effective cloth diapering system. For less than $600, you can implement this cloth diapering system. This video does not contain any paid promotions. It is an honest-to-goodness cloth diapering system that works for me. I'm a 50-50 cloth diaper, meaning I cloth diaper sometimes and sometimes I use disposables. If we're at home, cloth unless I'm feeling lazy. If we're heading to our family's house, cloth. If we're going out, disposable. The supplies. Portable washer spinner. We have the Giantex portable mini compact twin tub washing machine. It's approximately $220. You definitely need one with a spinner. Cloth diapers of choice, your brand and quantity. My preference is pocket diapers, one size. I've used Bum Genius, but those are $23 each, and there's one diaper and one insert. AlvaBaby, one size, $38 for a 6-pack with 12 inserts. The price does tend to vary. It's incredible for the price. I've only had issues with one of the diapers within the first year. The inside plastic liner thingy ripped, but it's still usable. It's not the best inserts that are included. They're not as absorbent as the Bum Genius ones, but I did find the AlvaBaby charcoal bamboo insert with Gussets, which is $19 for 6 pieces. I love the Gussets. These are my favorite insert and my go-to insert. They also have non-gusset ones, $32 for a 12-pack. 2 garbage cans. I have the Target 7-gallon Room Essentials locking lid step-on trash can, $17 each. The locking lid's important to keep out curious babies. The step opens great when your hands are full of dirty diapers. I use one of the garbage cans for the cloth diapers and one of the cans for garbage. In the garbage can that I use for the cloth diapers, it is lined with a pail liner, which is reusable, and in the garbage can that I use for garbage, it is lined with Target 8-gallon scented bags, $5 for a 56 count. 2 pail liners. I have Planet Wise large pail liner, $19 each. They fit the 7-gallon trash can perfectly. Cloth diaper detergent. Rockin Green Platinum Series cloth diaper detergent, $22. I have used nothing else because I've used it from the beginning and it's great. Clothes drying rack. IKEA clothes drying rack, $10. They also have a little hanging dryer with 16 clips. That's $7. Large bin for storage of clean items. Cost was free because I already owned it. A 4-gallon bucket with handle. I have a Target Made by Design 16-quart bucket. It was $6. It can also be used to carry the clean diapers to your drying rack. So your cloth diapering starter kit. It has portable washer spinner, cloth diapers, cloth diaper inserts, cloth diaper detergent, diaper wipes, garbage can, plastic garbage bags, reusable pail liner, clothes drying rack, clothes hanging dryer, large bin, 4-gallon bucket with handle. The price for all of those things will depend on how many you end up buying, but with what I've laid out here in my cloth diapering starter kit, you'll see that it comes to right around $600. Important things I've learned. Use a dedicated washer for the diapers if possible so that you don't have poo or you also clean all your clothes. Wash poo diapers ASAP. Shake/clean off in the toilet, then put in the portable washer with a few inches of water for 3 minutes. This has been one of the greatest revelations for managing cleaning the diapers. The poop stains don't have time to form, and any remaining solids don't solidify into the diaper. The quick rinse saves time later. And the poop diapers don't make the pee diapers dirtier. Fewer diapers may be better. The quantity that works for me is about 16 to 20 diapers. They fit in 1 wash load of the portable washer, which is key. And I don't put up with problem diapers that crop up. I just get them out of my diapering mix to save my sanity. My cloth diapering routine. The washing process. It has 3 main steps. Rinse, wash, rinse. Step 1, rinse the dirty diapers with cold/lukewarm water for 6 to 9 minutes, then spin it down. Step 2, wash on a hot cycle with cloth diaper detergent for 15 minutes, then spin it down. Step 3, rinse with cold lukewarm water for 6 to 9 minutes, then spin it down. I will do those cycles shorter depending if I'm in a time crunch, but I always let the hot cycle run for 15 minutes. To fill up the basin. The portable washer spinner comes with a useless hose. Discard it. Use your shower head hose or fill a bucket in the tub. It takes just over 2 buckets to fill the washer basin. The drying process. Hang on a laundry drying rack, wait for air to dry them. Inserts can also be put in the dryer on high to dry them quickly. Storage of the clean diapers. Large fabric bin. It contains wipes and diapers. Make sure any non-kid friendly items are kept out of reach. I stuff the diapers on the fly rather than pre-stuff. Just use whichever system works for you. Storage of soiled diapers. Garbage bin lined with a pail liner. It perfectly holds the exact amount that will fit in one washer load. And remove the insert from the pocket diaper before placing it in the bin. That means it's already separated for the wash and you will have no need to touch the dirty diaper when putting it into the washer. You can just dump the pail liner out and right into the wash. The second garbage bin with a garbage bag for the disposables and the used wipes. Conclusion. Once you get past the upfront investment, cloth diapering, even in a hybrid 50-50 way like I do, can really save you money. You'll spend less on disposables, your water bill won't be as high as if you use a regular washer with full wash cycles, and you'll feel good knowing that you and your baby are doing a small part to save the planet. Cloth diapering definitely has a learning curve and takes some trial and error, so I hope this information helps you with figuring out if cloth diapering could work for you.